Our Premier Scrapbooking Kit for April of 2018 is called Premier because members receive the contents first before anyone else on the planet, and that's what makes it Premier. Members love seeing the goodies and having the ideas of what to create with them. So the newsletter is full color. It's going to show all 8 of the double page spreads. Masculine, seasonal, feminine, family, all of them are there. We're also going to show you some of the other clubs that we have, and members receive a 20% discount on special items, and that is true of every single month. Now, the papers this time are called Buttercup. Members receive 18 of them. They are double-sided, and they are 12 by 12, of course. So this is the top sheet. Here is another, and we have an all-over pattern. And you can see just the bright, fun colors that is going on. And this, okay, and I'm going to flip them over just so that you can see. Now, our design team said that they really wanted to have 18 sheets, so that's what we've done. They just felt it gives them more variety in creating those 8 double-page spreads. Now, in addition to the 18 papers, members are receiving die cuts. There are 38 die cuts that are designed exclusively to coordinate with the papers. They're easy to pop out. You can see that there are big frames, there are small pieces, some are double, there's borders all over. All of those are included. In addition, I'm not done yet, in this case, the Buttercup has 129 Dazzles. Now, I'll show you these used on the page, but they're just wonderful. You've got borders, you've got words, you've got focals, you've got wonderful accents, just very, very fun. That's what I meant when I said these are all designed to go exclusively with the papers. Now, for the first time this month, we're having this package of embellishments. There are buttons in here, there are beads, there are sequins. These were also selected to coordinate perfectly with our papers, and I'm delighted to have this package here. You can see it's pretty big, so you're going to get a lot of use out of that. Now, in addition, we've added these sweet little rhinestone stickers, some flowers, and also some ribbons. Now, the ribbons come in 36-inch lengths. As you can see, everything perfectly coordinates. But you know, as wonderful as getting everything first is, what's really great is seeing how to use them. Now, you might think that these papers looked only good for feminine layouts, but let me show you the double-page spread that Gail did for a masculine layout. She kind of made it grungy. Now, you can do that or not. She also had a then area and then a now area, and just wonderful way to really talk about this special person in your life. So that's one of the double page spreads. Now, April is going to bring us Easter, so we thought it only appropriate to have a double page spread that's going to show us Easter. And you can see how effective those Dazzles are, just overlapping our photos, dancing in the rain. It's Oregon. It's going to be raining on Easter, probably. And we've got die cuts, we've got the buttons and the ribbons, and it almost looks like it's raining sequins up there. Just really pretty. So that's one of the options. And then how about a family double-page spread? Our family is splendid, and this beautiful wreath of Dazzles is just gorgeous. I love what Susan did with this giant pennant with one of the papers, and she's added the die cuts, of course. And on the other page, really doing a great job of using the papers and the die cuts and the Dazzles and the embellishments. Well, of course she did. It's just gorgeous. And finally, our last one is a sweet little girl. Beauty in bloom is what this is saying, and that's where our little flower rhinestones go. But you can see what a wonderful collection that is, and we're going to show you how. Super easy, super fun. And you can see how the die cuts and the Dazzles really do a nice job of highlighting that photo. And here is my sweet Buttercup. Yes, just absolutely charming. Olivia has been computer journaled on one of the die cuts. We'll talk to you about that. So as you can see, this is indicative of what happens every single month. 18 papers, all designed exclusively For members, they're going to get them first before anyone else. They're going to get 2 sheets of die cuts. This time that is 38 of them. They're going to get 2 sheets of Dazzles. This time 129. They're going to get ribbons in 36 inches. And then they're going to get a variety of other things that are all selected to perfectly coordinate. In addition, the newsletter is going to show you how to do all of these, and you can either copy them or you can change them however you wish. But it's a wonderful way to jumpstart your creativity. Premier Scrapbooking, it's not just for beginners. Seasoned scrapbookers love getting these, and they have so much fun. But it is perfect for beginners too, because everything is there. We hope that you'll join us in Premier Scrapbooking or Premier Cutting Dies, Stamps, Dazzles. We've got so many things for you. Go to paperwishes.com. Go over on the right-hand side. You'll see monthly kits. Click on that, and we hope you'll join the Premier family.